The three-layer learning loop synthesizes three scientifically proven techniques into one powerful meta framework. Here's the breakdown. Layer 1. Experience and reflection. Kolb's learning cycle. Layer 2. Simplified understanding. Feynman Technique. Layer 3. Long-term recall. Spaced repetition. Let's unpack each layer step by step. Layer 1. Experience and reflection. Layer 1 comes from Kolb's experiential learning cycle. Here's the core idea. Learning starts with an experience, actively doing something. First, you experience something directly. Then, you reflect on what happened. Next, you abstract general principles from your experience. Finally, you apply those principles, creating a new experience. Let's say you're learning coding. You write code. That's the experience. You reflect by debugging and analyzing mistakes. You abstract by noting principles like modularize your functions. Then you apply those principles next time you code. Layer 2. Simplified understanding. Layer 2 is inspired by Nobel-winning physicist Richard Feynman's technique. The essence? To truly master something, you must simplify it enough to teach it clearly, even to a child. Here's how you use the Feynman technique practically. Choose the concept you're learning. Explain it in the simplest terms possible, like you're teaching a curious 8-year-old. Wherever you get stuck, note that gap. Go back, relearn, and simplify again. For example, if you're learning about artificial intelligence, can you explain clearly what AI is to someone completely new to tech? If not, keep simplifying until you can. Layer 3. Long-term recall. Layer 3 tackles long-term retention. It's called spaced repetition. This scientifically backed method exploits how our brains naturally forget and remember information. Instead of reviewing material repeatedly in one session, you space out your reviews over increasingly longer intervals. Say, after one day, then a week, then a month. This simple trick dramatically boosts memory and recall. Tools like Anki or Notion flashcards automate this beautifully, but even a simple schedule in your journal works wonders. Bringing it together. How to use the three-layer loop. Practically now, let's combine these three layers into our powerful meta-mastery framework, the full three-layer learning loop. Start by doing something, like coding, writing, or reading deeply. Immediately reflect on it. Abstract principles and apply them. Then, simplify your understanding using the Feynman technique. Teach yourself or others clearly. Finally, schedule spaced repetition sessions to reinforce your long-term memory. This approach transforms vague memories into rock-solid mastery. Personally, I used this three-layer learning loop when I dove into AI and meta-learning. I started by building AI prototypes, experiencing firsthand. Next, I'd reflect and distill lessons into clear principles. Then I used Feynman's approach, making videos like this, simplifying to teach others. Finally, I reinforced these ideas weekly, using spaced repetition. The result? Concepts stuck permanently. The method transformed how fast I learn new skills, and now you can do it too. So here's my challenge for you right now. Pick just one skill you want to master this week. Run it through the three-layer learning loop. Write it down, reflect, simplify your explanation, and schedule your reviews. Comment below and let me know what skill you've chosen. I'll cheer you on personally, and we can share insights together as a community. Remember, learning isn't just about absorbing facts. It's about building patterns that last a lifetime. With the three-layer learning loop, every single thing you learn from now on will stick. If you found value in this video, hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend struggling to master something new. Join me again next Meta Monday, where we'll tackle even deeper insights. Stay curious and keep mastering.